In this quick concept video, we're going to talk about a core ecological unit, the population. Hi folks, my name is Taran. I'm here to help you make connections between environmental science and environmental issues that you actually care about. A population is a group of organisms of one species together in space and time. That may sound like a very strange way to talk about what a population is, but let me break that down really quickly. What are the core components here? It has to be one species. So we could be talking about a population of domestic cats. We could be talking about a population of Atlantic puffins. We could be talking about a population of oak trees. But it's about members of one species. As soon as you add a second species in, it's not a population, it's a community. And we'll get to that in another video. It's also key to understanding this that they have to be together in space. What together in space means varies depending on the question that you're asking. But the basic idea is that there should be some mechanism for interaction between members of the species across the system that you're thinking about or across the space that you're thinking about. Now, together in time means something very similar. The species have to be occupying this area in close enough time proximity that there is some mechanism for them to interact. And what that means exactly can vary a lot depending on the question you're asking, but that's the basic idea. So you could ask questions about the population of fish in a fish tank, which is a small, small number of organisms interacting closely together, all the way up to some very large scales of space and time, asking questions about the population of mammoths in the western United States 30,000 years ago. As long as the scale of space and time is suitable for the question you're asking, then it works. When ecologists are asking questions about populations, these can take a number of different forms, but are all restricted to those core things we were talking about. One species, one space, one time. Questions include things like, how do mating and social behaviors work? If we're interested in behavioral ecology, these can be questions about birth rates and death rates, probabilities of extinction. And we can also ask some basic abstract questions about the relationship of that population to the surrounding environment, usually abstracted by this idea of carrying capacity that I'll get to in another video. It's really important for us to think clearly about what populations are and how they work, because if those populations go to zero, that species is locally extinct, which generally, if you care about ecology and conservation, is something that matters quite a bit to you. So there we have it. That's our very short introduction to what a population is. If you have any questions or think I missed anything important, leave that down in the comments. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.